Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed while you are playing the Roblox game. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. So first is you need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type in here Task Manager. Simply click on that under the best match. Now here in the task manager window, you just have to simply maximize this, and in the search bar type Roblox. You'll find Roblox game client, make a right click and you have to select end task. So we need to completely close Roblox from here, and once you have completely closed Roblox from here, close the task manager window and you can just simply relaunch the game and see if the problem has been fixed. Then for the second method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here in the command prompt with administrative rights, you need to type in here this command. First command is NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command is ipconfig space / flush DNS. It's ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar for the next method, type in here control panel. Best match control panel, simply click on that. Now here you need to view this into categories. If this is large icons, just simply change that to category so that you can easily find network and internet. Click on that. Click on network and sharing center. Then here you'll find your Wi-Fi name, which is hyperlink. Click on that. Now this small window will appear. Now you have to click on properties. And another window will appear which has the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that. Click on properties. And this new window will appear which has this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. And then simply close this windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So just go ahead and click on the start button, go to settings. Click on apps on the left pane, click on installed apps. And you'll find Roblox from here. Simply click on the three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now once uninstalled, we need to reinstall it. So simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Just search for that in the Windows search bar. I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then here type in the search bar roblox.com / download. It's roblox.com / download, hit enter. Now this button will appear, download Windows app, click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded, click on that and close the browser. And this will reinstall the application into your Windows. So you just have to wait for that until the installation process has been successful or has been completed. Then you just need to sign in again into your Roblox account and continue enjoying the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.